Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we're out in the wilds of Suburbia. It's where you can hear barking dogs, whippet snippers and people chatting. We're at a mate's shed. What we've got in front of us is a little fortress. It's probably about 30 mil. There's our keyway. 4 pins. Well, maybe 5, and it's a shackle one. Made in China. So we're gonna, nice and rusty and crusty on top. I haven't lubed this or anything. I'm gonna give it a little go with this. Where's the frame? It's always good. Commercial, what is it? Double bow guitar or a W rake. Commercial tension tool, second thickest I think, and a commercial little nub thing because it's one of the smallest ones I've got. So I'm just going to give the pins a bit of this to make sure they actually move. And now we're going to get started. Okay, already logistical problems. Only got the 2 hands. Okay, are we in frame? Let's have a quick squeezy because I won't be able to have any clue when we go along or if I'm blocking the shot. So we'll all find out together in the end. Maybe down that way. Okay, hold lock, balance tool, don't drop tool. Alright. Grab hold of the tool. Start up the back since we don't know how many pins we've got. Pretty crunchy in there. I'm going to just overset something. About to lose that. That's a good click. Oh, movement on the call. Movement on the claw. Movement on the claw that much doesn't mean we're open. Let's give it, crank it a bit more. Oh, I just dropped it. Okay, no, up where we were. Okay. Oh, I just snapped it back. Oh, I had it. Okay. So we need to give it a little nudge because it looks like the shackle was a bit stuck. Might have done something, might not, might have just annoyed the neighbours. Alright. Well, we get to start again. So if we weren't in frame the first time, we might have half a chance the second time. Sure I'm not falling out. Oh, because I can't see it. Right, we go back down this way where we had success before. There we go, last time. Something like that, I think it was. Yep, that way I can pull on it. The lock can pull down on that at the same time, give me some purchase room. Oh, and there she says she lives. Okay, let's try that again with less oomph. It won't come out. Got movement. Okay. That's where we got to last one. Let's get some more purchase on it. Don't want to break the pick. Oh, we don't want to burn my tension wrench either. Okay. Oh no, just drop my pick in the turf. This might get loud, you might want to turn it down. Which way is it going to release from there? Ow. As you can see, I didn't bring a little hammer with me. Okay, that's going to require a little bit more grunt. So I'm going to spray it with this. Can you see it? Yep. Bit of that. I think it's the Aussie equivalent of WD-40. So I'll come back to you with the second lot. So catch us later. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.